Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Bolt. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video I would like to ask you that if you're new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the further notifications. So let's start the review. Smart Pappy. Introducing Smart Pappy, the Pappy of a Smart DeFi. You can also buy it from here and you can also stake it from here, and you must join their social platforms like their Telegram community and their Twitter account. You must join their Telegram community for latest update. This is an amazing project, and you can also join them on Twitter, Smart Pappy. It's Pappy on Smart DeFi. You can also check their followings and their followers, and you can also check their posts from here. This is an amazing project. Now back to the website. Next, we have some information about the Smart Pappy. The Smart Pappy stand out as the first meme coin with BNB as an asset backing. Each transaction, both buys and sales, incurs a nominal fee that contributes to our assets backing pool. This innovative mechanism ensures a baseline volume for Smart Pappy that is designed to consistently go up and never go down. Staking. Stake your Smart Pappy tokens and earn passively. Next, we have their tokenomics. 90% tokenless pre-sale, 10% CX development partnership and devs, Smart Pappy token name, Smart Pappy token symbol, and you can also check their total supply. Buy 1% liquidity, 2% asset backing, 2% staking reward. Sale 1% liquidity, 4% assets backing, 5% staking reward. Techfolio. Ever wished you could launch your own project on a Smart DeFi? Anticipate our Techfolio utility to be your solution for your website development, white paper, crafting, integration, banner, and sticker for your Smart DeFi project. With our Techfolio utility, you will be able to get a top-tier development for your project with just little fee and payment with Smart Pappy token. Next, we have their roadmap. Phase 1. Community growth, Smart DeFi awareness, white paper, website development, marketing and promotion, pre-sale launch, community bounties, memes contest. Phase 2. CMC and CG listing, partnership, CX listing, community bounties, marketing campaign. Phase 3. Adaptation and evolution, SD regulatory compliance, major partnership, new CX listing, top 1 Smart DeFi token. Phase 4. Compliance with FTW, compliance with aggregator, compliance with Griffin 2FA wallet, further development. Why Smart DeFi? Asset backing, buy and sale baseline goes up. Both buying and selling contribute to a consistently increasing baseline which create an asset backing value. This is definitely a win-win for investors. Smart lending, interest-free loan made simple. Through Smart Lending, any Smart DeFi tokens can be used as collateral to take out loans against its baseline value without having to sell or burn the Smart DeFi token. Tokenless pre-sale. Smart DeFi groundbreaking tokenless pre-sale is absolutely amazing. This will bring stability, eliminating risk and legal issues. Participating in Smart Pappy pre-sale and gain vested LP share to ensure stable and secure token ecosystem. Staking. Smart DeFi is a fully audited token launchpad that allows project creators the ability to mint, pre-sale launch, and build their staking protocol with the click of a few buttons. Audited. Smart DeFi is a fully audited token launchpad for anyone to create a cryptocurrency. You can also buy it from here and you can also stake it, and you must join their social platform. Now I'm telling you that how you can buy it. Just write your BNB amount here like 0.9 BNB, so you will get these Smart Pappy tokens. After write your BNB amount, you have to click on connect wallet and connect your wallet which you want to collect and buy some Pappy tokens. I have insufficient balance. I'm just telling you about their method. Now I'm showing you their chart. From here you can also see their chart. Their chart is increasing day by day, and further more details. You can also see their transaction history from here, and further more details like market cap, liquidity, supply, holders, total market cap, 24 hours volume, volatilities, total supply. This is an amazing project. You can also trade on DEX Screener and FEGX. This is an amazing project. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye.